Designer-style handbags online can look so tempting, but they also attract fake or scam sellers. Today, we're looking at Avona Paris bags. Are they real quality products worth your money, or just another questionable online brand? Let's break it down. So websites selling these bags present them as premium leather handbags, sometimes touting materials like genuine leather and luxury-inspired designs without obvious logos. Some pages even show high prices and free shipping, suggesting upscale fashion. But appearance alone isn't enough to confirm legitimacy. So let's look at the evidence. Independent site risk checkers flag major concerns with some of the domains associated with the brand. Automated scanners classify avonaparis.com as very high risk or a scam website with a very low trust score, blacklisted status, and suspicious setup. Key red flags include generic AI written content, excessive promotions and urgency tactics, hidden ownership info, and lack of credible third-party reviews or press mentions. These patterns are typical of fraudulent or low credibility online stores where authenticity and fulfillment can't be verified. What do real people say about Avona Paris? On fashion forums, some users express uncertainty due to missing brand background. There's very little verified customer experience, and few mentions are speculative rather than confirmed purchases. A few Reddit posts mention bags inspired by designer styles, but also note that details like manufacturing, origin, production info, or reliable shipping sources are not clearly disclosed, which makes it hard to confirm if the bags are authentic leather goods or knockoffs. Mixed user sentiments on forums range from look nice in photos to not sure where they're actually made, which signals unreliable transparency. It's important to distinguish authentic luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and Gucci that have decades of history, official stores, or authorized retailers, and publicly documented craftsmanship. Brands like Avona Paris sell logo-free or inspired designs without verified brand heritage, public reviews, or authentication services, meaning they may be replica-style inspired bags or just generic goods marketed as luxury. Just because a website claims premium leather doesn't guarantee premium quality, ethical sourcing, or true luxury pedigree. So are Avona Paris bags real luxury products or fake? It's highly questionable and risky. The seller's website has very low trust scores and scam-like indicators, and there's no credible brand history or verified customer proof that products are genuine, high-quality luxury goods. The bottom line, if your goal is authentic, luxury quality, and investment-worthy pieces, it's much safer to buy from well-established fashion houses or verified high-end retailers with real reviews and transparent sourcing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.